Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by signing into the exact YouTube account you intend to remove. This avoids deleting the wrong profile. Once signed in, make sure two-factor authentication is available to confirm identity. Next, navigate directly to Settings and check Account or Channel Settings to locate account controls. If you're signed into multiple Google profiles, switch to the target profile now so subsequent removal steps affect the correct account. This initial accuracy prevents inadvertent data loss for other accounts. Once done, go to Settings and find Advanced Account or Channel Settings to reveal delete options. You'll choose between deleting a channel or the Google account. Pick the precise option and read the data loss summary so you know what will be removed: videos, comments, playlists, and subscriptions. Confirm identity when prompted with password or 2FA. Then follow each on-screen confirmation step deliberately. Pause if any warning sounds unfamiliar, because this is typically irreversible and takes effect immediately after final confirmation. Finish by completing the final confirmation and allow the system to process the deletion. You'll usually receive an email confirming the action. Make sure to review that message for any recovery window or additional steps. If the deletion fails or the option is missing, clear your browser cache, try an incognito window, or sign in at account. Google.com to remove YouTube access there. This often resolves permission or UI issues. If problems persist, contact Google support using account help options as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.